Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. So in this 20-second video of Super 5 series, we are going to discuss 5 challenging questions of chapter permutations and combinations. If you missed watching our previous videos, I'll link it in the I bar. You can go check it out if you're interested. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, have a look of all 5 questions. So let's get started. First question, if the letters of the word mother be permuted and all the words so formed with or without meaning be listed in a dictionary, then possession of the word mother is how much? Okay, I'll start and then tell you. Okay, first, what is a word? I'll tell you a simple trick to do such models. Mother, right? So first, you number all of this according to the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E. So like that you arrange all this. Second H will come, third M, fourth O, then fifth and sixth. Sorry, fifth and sixth. Yes, now what you have to do is, see, first take the first word, 3. Less than 3, how many numbers do we have here? 2. Write 2 here. Yes. Now, okay, cut this off. Okay. 4. Less than 4, how many numbers do we have here? 2. That's it. What is this? It is 6, right? Less than 6, how many numbers do we have here? You have to check towards right side. Okay. Less than 6, how many numbers do we have here? 3. Less than 2, 1. 0, 0. Agree? Now look carefully. Write 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Got it? First you have to write all these things. How do you write all these things? Right side, how many less than that numbers are present? You have to list that number down here. And then from right to left, go by increasing order like 0 to 5. Okay, now what you have to do is, look carefully. This is one set now. Multiply these and add these. Got it? Multiply these, add these. What do you get? 2 into 120, 240. Plus 4 factorial is 24. 24 2s, 48. 6 into 3, 18. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Plus 0 plus 0, of course. How much do you get? Okay. You get 308. So, there are 308 numbers in the dictionary present before mother. So they are asking the exact word of mother in the dictionary. So what should you do? 308 plus 1. That's it. The possession of mother will be before that plus 1. Understanding? Yes. So answer is 309. Got it? Yes. Second question. If the number of 5-digit numbers with distant digits and 2 at the 10th place is 366k, then k is equals to how much? Okay, there are 5 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1's place, 10th place. 10th place, what do we have? 2. See, in all these places, how many numbers are possible to arrange from 0 to 9? From 0 to 9. Yes. How many we want 5-digit numbers. How many possibilities are there for here to come, like number to be here? Only 8 possibilities, right? Why? It's a distant number. No numbers should be repeated. 0 can't come here. If 0 comes, it becomes a 4-digit number. Yes or no? 0 can't come here. 2 also can't come here. Then how many numbers are left? 8. Yes, suppose assume this as x. 8 numbers. Here 0 can come. 2 can't come. X can't come. So how many? 8. Here 7. I'm writing as ways, okay? This is already covered. So here 6. 8, 8, 7, 6. So multiply all of them. 8 into 8 into 7 into 6. How much do you get? This will be equals to 336k it seems. This product will be 2688. So by 336 is equals to k, which imply I have calculated this already. You'll get k as 8. Okay, that's it. See, in here you will not get 0. Why? If at all 0 comes here, then it will become a 4-digit number. Only point to remember from this question is that thing. Okay, the rest is all simple. Yes, the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from all the letters of the word letter in which whole numbers never come together. Okay, what are the whole numbers that are present here? 2. What are those? E and E. Vowels. Yes, vowels never come together. E and E should not come together. See, should not come together, shouldn't be together. For these type questions, what you have to first do is total minus together will be equals to not together. Got it? So what is that? Letter, right? So how many possibilities are there? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial by how many are repeated? 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Yes. Minus together. That means E and D should be considered as one unit. Yes, vowels together. Vowels together. This should be considered as one unit. What are left? L, T, T, R. How many units are there? 5. In which 2 are repeated. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial into internal arrangements of these both. 2 factorial by 2 factorial. It is anyhow 1. Yes, 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial minus 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Yes, you solve it. What do you get? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial minus 5 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Okay, you solve this, you will get 6 into 5 into 2 into 3 minus 5 into 4 into 3. This will be 180. 12 3 is 20. Yes, 60. 23 is right. 120. Got it? So 120 such numbers are possible. Okay. Fourth one, find the number of integral solutions of the equation x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 is equals to 1800. Okay, where all these are positive. This means that only, right? Where this means all these x1, x2, x3, x4 are positive. Okay, we have to find such integral solutions. Fourth one. First, write 1800. First, do prime factorization of 1800. What do you get? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Yes, you see, if this will be equals to this, then every term, like it is given as x1 into x2 into x3 into x4, right? Then each and every term should be in the form of this, like 2 into 3 into 5. Powers can be anything, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 power can be 0, 1, 2. 5 power can be 0, 1, 2. Are you all getting it? See, all these numbers, all these x1, x2, x3, x4 should be of the form 2 into 3 into 5. Possible powers are these. Yes. So how can you write all these x1, x2, x1 can be written as 2 power alpha 1 into x3 into power beta 1, 5 power gamma 1. What can x2 be written as? 2 power alpha 2, 3 power beta 2, 5 power gamma 2. x3 can be written as 2 power alpha 3, 3 power beta 3, 5 power gamma 3. x4 can be written as 2 power alpha 4, 3 power beta 4, 5 power gamma 4. See, if this all is a thing, then you can write this whole thing like x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 is equals to 1800 as 2 power alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 into 3 power beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3 plus beta 4 into 5 power gamma 1 plus gamma 2 plus gamma 3 plus gamma 4 is equals to 1800. Yes, or is equals to what? You can write like this also, right? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. So now you equate all these powers. You equate 2 powers, 3 powers. Yes, what do you get? Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 will be equals to 3. Beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3 plus beta 4 will be equals to 2. Gamma 1 plus gamma 2 plus gamma 3 plus gamma 4 will be equals to 2. So what is this formula now? N plus R minus 1. See? R minus 1 or N. Yes. So what can you write this as? 3 plus 4 minus 1 C3. 2 plus 4 minus 1 C4. Sorry, 2. 2 plus 4 minus 1 C2. What is this value? What is it? 6C3. 5C2. 5C2. Yes. Now you multiply all these up. Multiply all these up. What do you get? 633 value is 220. 10. 10. You get the answer. Sorry. 200. You get the answer as this one. Okay. First you check 1 minute. When I don't exactly remember. Sorry, this is 20. Wait. Thirty to 60. 60 into 10 into 10. Yes. Is it correct? Okay. Sorry, here it is 3 factorial again. This gets cancelled. I'm very sorry for all this mess. 20 into 10 into 10, which is 2000. So 2000 such integral solutions are possible. Okay. Okay. Number of triplets ABC possible where ABC belongs to natural numbers such that a power 4 into b cube plus c square is equals to 10800. Okay. For this also you have to write 10800 in that prime factors. What do you get? 2 power 5 into 3 power cube into 5 cube. Yes or no? Once you verify it. Yes, you get it this way. And in terms of a4, okay, a power 4 into b cube into c square is equals to 10800. Yes. Now, in the same way as the fourth question, you have to write a, b, c in terms of these. Okay, 2, 3 and 5. What can you write it as? A is equals to 2 power alpha 1 into 3 power beta 1 into 5 power gamma 1. B can be written as 2 power alpha 2, 3 power beta 2, 5 power gamma 2. C can be written as 2 power alpha 3, 3 power beta 3 into 5 power gamma 3. Yes or no? Now you see 4, 3 and 2. So you multiply all these 2, right, in the power. So what do you get? You see here, this will be equals to 2 power 5. Like all these powers. Yes or no? 2 terms powers will be equals to 2 power 5. Are you all getting it? See, 4 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 plus 4 alpha, 2 alpha 3 is equals to 5. Yes or no? How? You see here. 4 alpha 1, 3 alpha 2, 2 alpha 3. Are you all getting it? Now, in the same way, 4 beta 1 plus 3 beta 2. Sorry, this is alpha. 2 beta 3 is equals to 3. 4 gamma 1 plus 3 gamma 2 plus 2 gamma 3 is equals to 3. Now, make a box for each of these. Alpha, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. You write the possible ways such that this equation satisfies. If you take alpha 1 as 1, this will not satisfy because 4 plus, if you take alpha 1 as 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 as 0, 4 plus 3 plus 2, it will not be equals to 5. It will exceed. Yes or no? So, this must be 0. If this is 0, 3 plus 2 satisfies 5. Yes, this is the only one condition, only one way is possible for 4 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 plus 2 gamma, alpha 3 is equals to 5. This to be satisfied. In the same way, make a table even for beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. You verify the same way. What do you get? If you write here, no, it's not possible. This has to be 1 and beta 3 must be 0. Only if it is 0, this equation will be equals to 3. Are you all getting it? Yes or no? 1, 0. In the same way, gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3. For this to be 0, again 0, 1, 0. One way. Now multiply all these ways. 1 into 1 into 1. This will be equals to the how many triplets possible for that given condition. 1 into 1 into 1 is obviously 1. So 1 triplet is possible. Got it? So how many triplets are possible? 1. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.